This video is about how you can download and install Microsoft Office 2024, the latest version currently. So, for you to be able to download Microsoft Office 2024, you're going to open your web browser. When you open your web browser, go to google.com and here search for Office Deployment 2. When you search for Office Deployment 2, you're going to click on the first link. When this opens, you're going to see the download button here. Just click on it. You're going to see the download this side. When it's finished, it's also going to show you that's what you want. Then you also want to come back here and search for Office Customization 2, the second one here. Just click on that. Click on the first link. When this opens, this is where you're going to customize how you want to install your Microsoft Office. So right now, my computer right now doesn't have Microsoft Office, and my computer is a 64 bits operating system. So I'll leave this the way it is. If yours is 32, click on this. Otherwise, it should be 64. Then here for the product, you're going to click on Office Suite, and here you're going to choose Standard 2024 volume license. Then scroll down, and here it should be latest. On the apps, you can choose the apps you want to install. Here, I'm going to get rid of all these because I don't want them. We'll just leave these three: Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, because these are the ones I use. Then I'll click on Next. For the language, I'm going to select English United States. Then I'll click on Next. These, they should be the way they are. Everything down here should be left alone. Next, next, also next. Then you're going to scroll down until you can see the finish button. Click on it. Come this side and click on export. Then here, click on the middle, the option on the middle, and click on OK. And here you have to accept the terms in the license agreement, which are these ones. So click on this check mark. Here you can change the name of this file. Then you can change the name of this file, but I'll leave it the way it is because that's easy to remember. And I suggest you leave it the way it is because that's just fine. Then export. When you export, it's going to be downloaded. When it's downloaded, this is what you want. Now, here you can minimize this window and come here, open your web. Here, click on File Explorer and click on Desktop. Here, you're going to create a folder. You're going to call it Office 2024. Then you're going to come in Downloads because this is where our files are. We're going to get these downloaded files. So select these downloaded files from here and cut them. Control X to cut. Come on the desktop. Open the Office 2024 folder. In here, Control V to paste these two files. Now right click on this Office Deployment 2 and run it as an administrator. Click on Yes. This is going to ask you to accept the Microsoft software license by clicking on this checkbox. Then click on Continue. Then here, you're going to select Desktop, then click on Office 2024 and click on OK. Then you're going to see files extracted successfully. Click on OK. Now we don't need these two because now what we needed from the Office deployment tool is the setup. So these two are no longer important. We can delete these like that. So just remain with these two files. So we're going to go back here. Now we're going to move this file from where it is from the desktop into this PC. So for you to be able to do that, you can just easily cut it. Control X, or just click on that scissors. Come to this PC, local disk C. Here, paste this. Control V to paste the folder. When you bring it here, you're going to see it on top here. Now you can open it. What you want is to copy this path. Right click here and copy address as text. Then you're going to come here and open C, just type CMD here. You're going to see the command prompt. And here you have to run this command prompt as an administrator. If you do something else, you're not going to get what you want. You're going to run into problems. So run this command prompt as an administrator. When you open it, it's going to ask you for permission. Just click on yes. then it's going to open this window like that. Then from here now you can paste that. You can just type cd, then paste the address that you copied, Control V, then press enter. It's going to take you to this folder where we have the setup file and the configuration file. This is where you want to be. Now you're going to come back here on the in the web browser, go back to Google, and here search for Office 2024 deploy. Just say type this in the search and press enter. You're going to see the first link here. Click on it, wait for it to load. All right, this is a site where you can find the deployment commands, where you can actually find the codes that you can use to install and download your Microsoft Office. So if you want to download those files that you just downloaded, you can also use a command, but in this case we've done that already. The code we're looking for is the setup configure configuration.xml. So copy this, come to the command prompt here, just minimize this one so you can see this command prompt nicely here. Then you can paste this there, then you can just run this, press enter. It's going to show you this window that says it's, and that's how it's going to start downloading Microsoft Office. Now here, just be patient because it might take some time. So be patient and wait for it to finish downloading. When it's finished, when it's done, you're going to see all set. Close this and just close this command prompt and close all this. Then you can just open whatever Microsoft software you want to open. It's going to open just fine. So for instance, when you open Access here, it's going to open like this, and this is what you want. As you can see, this is beautiful, and this is what you want. And so now when you come down here, when you click on account, you're going to see that your Microsoft Office is activated and everything is good to go. And this is how you can download your Microsoft Office.